Alright, so we're doing the Monday, October 16th eBay box break. We're going to be breaking 2017 Topps Chrome. So we've got the winners. These are the winners and the teams they won. So you've got Alright. So winners of those teams, you'll get all of the cards picked for that team. So base cards, insert cards, autograph cards, rookie cards, you get all of them. So we're going to go ahead and get this started. Alright. Good luck, everybody. Alright, we got Chris Davis, Johnny Cueto, future stars Noah Syndergaard for the Mets, Ben Zobrist, Cubs, Mark Trumbo, Orioles, Eric Hausmer, Refractor, Yadier Molina, St. Louis Cardinals, Eduardo Rodriguez, Red Sox, Edwin Diaz, Mariners, John Lester, Cubs, Dansby Swanson, rookie card, Braves, freshman flash, Omedes Diaz, Cardinals, Kevin Kiermaier, Tampa Bay Devil Rays, Brian Dozier, Twins, Craig Kimbrell, Red Sox, Nelson Cruz, Mariners, Todd Frazier, White Sox, Josh Donaldson, Blue Jays. Robert Jelsman, rookie card, Topps Chrome. And you got AJ Pollock, Diamondbacks. Tyler Naguin, Cleveland Indians. You got Anthony Rizzo. Garrett Cole, Pirates. David Ortiz, Red Sox. Jay Bruce, Mets. You got Addison Russell, Then and Now, for the Cubs. Pat Neshek, Phillies. Jose Quintana, White Sox. German Marquez, Rockies. Max Scherzer, Washington Nationals. Joe Mauer, Minnesota Twins. And Yu Darvish, Rangers. Carlos Gonzalez, Rockies. David Dahl, rookie, freshman Flash, Colorado Rockies. Michael Brantley, Indians. Rookie, Orlando Arcia, Milwaukee Brewers. Matt Strom, Kansas City Royals. Lorenzo Cain, Royals. Michael Fulmer, Tigers. Tyler Austin, New York Yankees rookie. Andrew Miller, Indians. And Max Scherzer, Nationals. Joe Musgrove, rookie, Astros. Fractor. Salvador Perez, Royals. Billy Hamilton, Reds. Michael Fulmer, Detroit Tigers, Future Stars. Jose Dulon, Tampa Bay Rays, rookie. D. Gordon, Miami Marlins. Dexter Fowler, Cardinals. Lucas Giladio, Chicago White Sox. Matt Olson, rookie, Oakland A's. Refractor, Antonio Senzatella, Rockies, rookie. Aaron Sanchez, Blue Jays. Corey Seager, Future Stars, refractor, right? Dodgers, Kyle Freeland, rookie, Colorado Rockies. Amir Garrett, Cincinnati Reds, rookie. DJ LeMahieu, Colorado Rockies. David Dahl, Colorado Rockies, rookie. Luke Weaver, autograph, St. Louis Cardinals, rookie. Jordan Montgomery, rookie, New York Yankees. Carlos Correa, Houston Astros. Jake Thompson, rookie, Phillies. Joe Jimenez, Detroit Tigers, rookie. Jesse Winker, Cincinnati Reds. Yulesky Gurriel, rookie, Astros. Christian Yelich, Miami Marlins. Tyler Naquin, Cleveland Indians. A refractor. Christian Aurora, San Francisco Giants, rookie. Mitch Haniger, Seattle Mariners, rookie. Mashiro Tanaka, New York Yankees. Salvador Perez, Kansas City Royals, refractor. Here you go. Cody Bellinger, rookie. Troy Tulowitzki, Toronto Blue Jays. Kyle Hendricks, Chicago Cubs. Jake Arrieta, Chicago Cubs. Hunter Dozier, Kansas City Royals, rookie. Adrian Beltre, Andrew Toles, Los Angeles Dodgers, rookie, refractor. Jacob deGrom, New York Mets. Trey Mancini, rookie. Chris Sale, Red Sox. Kyle Seager, Seattle Mariners. Autograph, Andrew Toles, Los Angeles Dodgers, rookie. And that's a refractor numbered 313 out of 499. 313 out of 499. Refractor, Andrew Toles, Los Angeles Dodgers, autograph rookie. Brett Gardner, Yankees. Paul Goldschmidt, Diamondbacks. Jacob B. Jones, rookie, Detroit Tigers. Edwin Encarnacion, Cleveland Indians. Tyler Glasnow, rookie, Pirates. Jameson Taillon, Pirates. Mike Trout, Angels. George Springer, Astros, refractor. Adam Duvall, Reds. Maikel Franco, Phillies. There you go. Here's another one. Andrew Benintendi, rookie, Red Sox. Evan Longoria, Tampa Bay Rays. Marcus Stroman, Blue Jays. So we got our two autographs. Andre Toles, Los Angeles Dodgers, rookie, numbered 313 out of 499. And then our other autograph rookie, Luke Weaver for the Cardinals. Alright, I'll get these all packaged up, and Red Sox and Dodgers are going to be coming your way, Mountain, and we'll get the rest sent out as well. In the next couple of days, we're going to be listing Panini Contenders for basketball, 2017 draft picks. There's 6 autographs in this box, so definitely check out those on eBay. We also have a football break coming as well, a 4-box brake with helmet as well, mini-sized helmet included in that brake. So definitely follow MK's box brakes on Breakers TV, and then yeah, follow us on eBay as well. So have a good night.